So in this video, I'm going to talk about the market in FIFA Mobile 22 and how you can make millions of coins. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. So obviously we've got the World Cup event right now. We've got the World Cup tournament, but the World Cup event as well as the Winterfest event. And in this World Cup event, we've got this bonus prizes chapter where we're getting rewards, including obviously 106 overall Modric, 106 overall Vinicius, as well as in the reward point chapter, we've got some more rewards to claim. Of course, we've got all the players, prime icons, event icons, as well as all the 105 and less overall players. And interestingly enough, pretty much all of these World Cup players have gone up in price. So if you search for World Cup players right here, you will see that cards that were around like 20-30 mil have gone up in price a lot, at least in my market. Your market might be different, but I'm just talking about my market. Messi, for example, was you can see how much he went up, right? On the left hand side, he was about 30 million coins. He's gone up a lot in price. Neymar has gone up a lot in price as well. Every single one of these cards have gone up in price. Modric obviously has not gone up in price because he is this week's player in the weekend in the bonus prizes chapter. So yeah, he has not gone up, as well as Vinicius is not gonna go up right now, but in a bit he's gonna go up, as well as Cristiano Ronaldo. You will see he has gone up a lot in price, and all the other cards. Di Maria, he has not gone up that much, but still he has gone up. 106 overall players have gone up a lot though. Mbappe, you can see a left wing Mbappe. He's now worth 50 million coins, used to be 30 mil, just like Messi. Courtois used to be like 20 million coins, now he's 40 mil. Quite interesting, but I did say that this would happen in one of my last coin making trick video. I did say that 106 overall, Messi, Mbappe, I think these popular players were all gonna go up in price. I didn't think they were gonna go up this much, but I did say they were gonna go up in price. Hakimi, even, look at that, he was 20 mil, now he's almost 50 mil. Lewandowski, he was 25 mil, he's still gone up in price. And as I said, all the 105 overall players, like Depay not really, but most of them at least. Morata has gone up a little bit in price. We've got Lucas Paqueta, who has gone up a lot. Not a lot, but he has gone up still. Valverde has gone up. Every single one of these cards have gone up. So what I would suggest you right now to do in the bonus prizes chapter, we go Modric and Vinicius, as well as Hazard, of course. But I think these Modric and Vinicius cards, 106 overalls, are quite easily gonna go up in price in the next couple of weeks. So if you packed one of them already from that chapter, from bonus prizes chapter, I would not sell them. I would save them and see if they are gonna go up. I think they are gonna go up 100%, but obviously investment always has some risks to it. And if you have enough coins, I'll definitely buy as well. I'll definitely buy at least one Vinicius and one Modric, or either one of them depending on your coin total. I would buy one of them. I think Vinicius is gonna go up a little bit more than Modric, but still I think both of them are gonna be good investments. As well as 105 overall Hazard. I mean, he's got a center forward position. I don't think he's gonna be great actually, because his position is terrible. But this week's players, I think most of them are gonna go up in price, especially that 106 overalls. And what I would suggest you to do as well is, right now, if you got any high overall World Cup players, make sure to sell them. They might go up even more in price, but they have already gone up and it's a risk to take. If you have any high overalls, I would sell them. You can obviously save them and maybe see if they're gonna go up even more. But for example, I've got Di Maria right now. He's about 20 million coins. I'm gonna try to sell him right now, and I'm definitely buying at least one Vinicius Junior and Modric as well. I'm just gonna buy it right now. Actually, I really want to make some coins with them. And before I make coins, obviously I can use them as well. I'm gonna sell Martinez as well. He has gone up in price as well. Kamada, I don't think Kamada has gone up here. Kamada, these are not that popular players. But yeah, I'm definitely buying. I'm definitely buying Modric if I can. I can't buy him right now. Let's buy Vinicius Junior then. 31 million coins. I'm gonna try to bid 29 mil. Let's see if I can grab him for that. And Modric as well. I'm gonna try to bid on him as well. Purchase and 32 mil. We'll try for 32 mil, but I'm gonna get one of Modric and Vinicius Junior. We bought Vinicius Junior. There we go, and we sold Martinez. So that's a decent one already. That's a decent one. And probably I'm going to get Modric and I'm going to be able to sell Di Maria as well. Let's go ahead and check out which other players will go in the bonus prize this chapter if I think they are going to go up in price. We've got, we need to go there. Okay, Havertz is a decent one, but it's 103 overall, so there is not a huge chance it's going to go up in price. I don't have high hopes on Guerrero either because his card is not the best. But that's pretty much it. The market is high right now. I think because we've got the Winter First event and a lot of people are getting a lot of coins. That's one of the reasons why the prices have gone up, because people have got coins, so they want to spend them. That's one of the reasons why they've gone up. But also I think Vinicius Jr. and Modric are definitely going up as well. That's just my thoughts though. That's just my thoughts. And if you are asking me, I would suggest you to grab one of them at least and see if they're gonna go up. But yeah, I definitely think they're gonna go up. Anyways, let's go ahead and open some of these presents now to end this video, and then maybe I'm gonna open some of the packs as well. We've got 90 gold festive tokens there. I can open 2 gold ones. Let's see how many elites and masters I'm gonna get. Right, we got 15. Okay, 15 masters as well. I'll take 15 masters. That's good. That's great. That's great. I can open another one of these though. Here we are. We've got 25 and 5. Okay, I'll still take that. I guess I can open 2 elites and probably I can open 1 or 2 masters as well after that. Right, we got a walkout. It's a Brazilian. It's a goalkeeper. It's Alisson already. Ederson. It's Ederson. 89 overall. Ederson. We've got 5 master festive tokens only. Okay. 89 overalls, 188 overall, and 2 other elites. Let's open another one. Let's see if I'm gonna get 10 master festive tokens from this one to open 2 packs. No, I'm only go 5. That's a little bit unfortunate. I can't lie. That's a little bit unfortunate, but yeah, it is what it is. Right, we got a walkout, so it's probably normal elite or master. Normal master. We go Van Dijk, 90 overall. Not the best pack I could have got, but I got 400,000 coins and skill boost as well as program credit. So I guess I'll take it. But yeah, let's go ahead and end the video by opening bonus prizes pack, and let's see if I'm gonna be able to pack one of those high overall players. Here we go, 4 packs, and we didn't get a walkout. All right, that was a terrible pack. Another one then. Another one. We got nothing in this one either. Oh, we got Neymar. We got 89 overall Neymar, but only 89 overall version. This is gonna be the last one then. This is gonna be the last pack. We've got a walkout. Okay, that's 90 plus overall player then. Iranian, yeah, it's not a good one, is it? Central back, it's 90 overall. That's the worst one I could have got. Anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.